Hey guys, welcome to the video. So in this video we're going to be going over the top 8 niches for Ecom right now. Right now meaning it is pandemic coronavirus scenario, and there are quite a lot of Ecom brands that are maybe not doing so well because of what they sell. If they're not seen as essential, there's just no demand for them. And then there are other niches that are actually exploding. And I wanted to address this right now because there are a lot of people out there in the community that are wondering where they should focus their attention on, whether that's a startup or even maybe more so as an established brand. Can they kind of like align their brand to serve a need right now? So yeah, I just want to go over these 8 that I think that are going to be that they are already very good to get involved in, and not just now but beyond the pandemic as well. So whenever that does finish up, these are niches that are going to serve you well even after the pandemic is over. So let's hop right in, guys. So first up on the list, pet supplies. Why pet supplies? So due to physical stores on temporary closure, pet owners can't avail of necessary supplies for their house pet. The only option is to go online and purchase what they need for their pets. So in most cases, there are stores that sell pet supplies and that kind of thing. The majority of them are closed. Maybe certain countries have them open. Some of them open even as kind of maybe essentials. They're deemed essentials because they need food and supplies for pets. But in any other case, then a lot of them are closed. So the only way you can access this kind of product is to go online. So what to sell if you're thinking about going into this niche right now? You can think about pet toys, pet food, supplements for pets, beds for cats, dogs, bird cages, dog lead harness, grooming gloves, food bowls, potty training pads, that kind of thing. And where to find ideas. So you can go on to the reliable Amazon. There's also PetSmart, Petco, Pet Value, Pet Supplies Plus. So yeah, pet supplies is a good niche to get into right now. Next up is gardening. Gardening. So why gardening? So with restrictions to outdoors and spring being in full swing, gardening offers a great way to connect with nature. It also gives people a project to progress with over the months that follow and keeps you occupied. It's great for mental health and gets the family together. It's fun, educational for kids and adults, and the fruits it delivers from your efforts can be very rewarding. So, again, we're all kind of stuck in, have limited access to public places, but if you have a garden, you can put a project together where you plant seeds and obviously grow fruit and veg or flowers, and it's quite rewarding in the sense of how it how the plants are developed. It's educational as well. It can get the family together. You can teach the kids about how gardening works, for instance, and how food grows. And yeah, it is actually a nice kind of it's good for mental health, because being out in nature obviously helps us with calming and that kind of thing. So good niche to get into. What to sell? Think gardening think gardening books and guides to educate. You can even think about outdoor furniture, seeds and plants, gardening kits, greenhouses, polytunnels, that kind of thing. And for ideas to find products to sell, you can check out Amazon. Home Depot is good, aerogarden.com and Byrne. So moving on then, guys, we have home gym fitness. This is another great niche to get into right now because there is high demand for people trying to keep up their fitness routine. So yeah, let's go into the reasons why. Like, because the restrictions to outdoors and the fact that local gyms are closed for the foreseeable future, folks into fitness might be finding it a challenge to keep up with their workout routines. So selling home gyms solves that kind of problem that they have, allowing them to get the right workout and stay on track with their fitness goals. So they don't have to worry about the gym closing and whether they're going to get in that fitness routine that they were that they had a pattern within their local gym. By investing in some sort of home gym equipment, they can stay on track now with their fitness goals. Okay. So what to sell? Lots of things to sell in this space, really. So barbells, resistant bands, exercise mats, workout apparel, abdominal wheel, for example, workout guides and training. So there's kind of both physical and also kind of educational information product that you can sell. So again, ideas to find popular items to sell. As usual, Amazon is great. Lightenthebox.com, Dick's Sporting Goods, Gym Source. There's various sources you can go to here, depending on where you are in the world. But you can find your kind of national or local website that is into fitness and sells this kind of stuff. But these are kind of like the general ideas I'd go for. So yeah, home gym fitness, good niche. And now we move into homemade cooking and baking. So why get into this? So no better time to brush up on cooking skills right now during COVID-19. With the world on lockdown and people stuck at home looking for something to do, homemade cooking and baking are great ways to get adults and kids involved in fun, rewarding activities. Develop new skills and experiences together in the kitchen. So yeah, great way to kill boredom, work on a project, work on something as a team, kids, adults getting involved. Good way of passing time, and it feeds you, no harm. So what to sell? From kitchen aprons to blenders, cooking thermometers, pressure cookers, cooking knives and books. You know, if you go looking at these ideas and where to find, if you look on the likes of Amazon, Walmart, Target, Kohl's, various other websites, guys, if you just do a quick search on Google. But there is a lot of stuff you can sell here and come up with ideas for what to sell. There's information as well that you can do too as well, like cooking guides and that kind of thing. So, and it niches down between vegetarian, veganism, or it could be dessert, homemade baking, bread making, that kind of thing. So plenty of ideas and a niche that is certainly in demand right now. Next up is wellness and self-care. So why get into this niche? Well, with the chaos that surrounds the COVID-19 pandemic, there is a lot of fear and instability very present during these times, okay? So people are looking for ways to distress and take their mind off things. So they want to look after their physical and mental well-being. So what do you sell in and around this? So you can think of various things here right now. So healing plants, there are yoga. You can do, people are getting into yoga and mindfulness that way, Tai Chi, mindful meditation, physical fitness equipment such as apparel, exercise equipment. There's audiobooks and courses, health foods to keep the body and mind healthy. So it's all about self-care, even though it's crazy and worrying for a lot of people right now, financially and even in their jobs. Are they going to be able to sort of pay mortgages? Are they going to have a job to go to? So instead of all this worry, let's just try and focus on watching our physical and mental health so we can kind of get over this. So it's a good niche to get into right now, self-care and wellness. And some of the ideas that you can find for products here is, again, Amazon. You can check out Whole Foods too, wellness.com, healthline.com. Again, wherever you are in the world, you may have a kind of a more recognized brand that kind of deals with this stuff. So if you just type into the search engines, you can find wellness and self-care products to sell, whatever. So you may have a more local website for this, but yeah, there's various ideas that you can find if you just even look at these four. So yeah, wellness and self-care, good niche. So another good niche to be getting into right now, guys, home office equipment. So why? Well, now that employees in certain sectors are forced to work from home, there's an increased demand for office equipment for home use. So employees need like a working environment to produce results for their company. So office home supplies are in demand. Okay, so instead of there's a lack of need, I guess, to actually attend the office right now, and people can work from home on their computers and continue to produce the results that they would do in the office, but now at home. So what to sell? So well, people are looking to create working environment from their home, so they're going to need supplies such as computers, that's laptops, desktops, even tablets, office tables and chairs, stationery, software applications, and filing cabinets. And where to find ideas for stuff to sell here. Again, Amazon. You can also check out Home Depot and Staples.com too. Now, again, there's always other websites you can check out. So these are just kind of like three that I would give, but you'll find plenty of ideas here from those three. All right, guys. So one of the last on the list is arts and crafts kits. So why this? Well, again, due to the lockdown and the increase of time people have at home, there will be a pickup on time spent for people's hobbies and passions. So arts and crafts is a popular hobby. And if you have knowledge in this area, you can ride this wave with some good offers for your target audience to purchase. So niche audiences include the likes of adults and kids. So what to sell here in this niche really? Well, again, various things. There are weaving baskets, painting, knitting, Play-Doh modeling for kids, felting, embroidering, candling, and soap making. And ideas to find on what to sell here, you can check out Amazon. Wish.com is actually a decent website as well, and papermart.com. So we've come to our last niche, which is kids, games, and toys. So why go for this niche? So for folks that have kids, this is going to be a fairly important element of survival during lockdown, okay? Staying at home and keeping kids entertained and occupied could prove an important part of keeping parents' sanity in check. So what to sell? This will vary on children's interests and age groups. So you're going to see things like from popular action figures to educational books and toys, computer tablets, Lego sets, jigsaws, activity sports. Think outdoor play pools or soccer ball and goal nets, for a garden, for example. I'm not saying to bring this out to the public, but, in your own private garden. Teddies and soft toys for babies, that kind of thing. So where to find ideas? As always, definitely try Amazon, Disney, Learning Express toys. You can even check out Walmart as well, guys. But again, as I always mention, in where to find ideas, you can always do a Google search as well and find maybe more local type of websites that give you more ideas, essentially. Okay, so yeah, kids and games toys are a good niche to get into now, but they genuinely aren't even with the pandemic in place. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. So they are my top 8 niches for ecom stores right now to get into. So yeah, if you found value in this video, please drop a like, maybe comment below and let me know where you're at with your ecom store right now. Are you up or down? I'd love to hear what's going on with you guys in the community. So until next video, guys, take care and speak soon.